Wandering Beach Walk encourages the spirit of discovery, allowing everyone to discover the ultimate hidden spots and enjoy the beauty of Marina Dubai Beach, located in the heart of Dubai City, is a famous and classy destination providing a wonderful resort experience for visitors. With fine white sand and clear blue sea, this beach attracts people with its pristine beauty and luxury. Guests can enjoy the comfortable space on the beach or relax in the surrounding luxurious resort areas. At night, Marina Beach sparkles with city lights and is a great viewing spot. Here, visitors not only enjoy comfort but also clearly see the harmony between nature and contemporary architecture in Dubai. Girls walking on Dubai Marina Beach create a wonderful image of elegance and charm. In the perfect picture of sunshine and beach, they shine with fashionable outfits, reflecting their unique style and taste. With exquisite curves and bright smiles, these girls create a fresh and vibrant atmosphere on the beach. Sometimes, they enjoy recreational activities together, such as playing badminton on the soft sand or enjoying light music from beach bars. With the shimmering lights of Dubai beating out the sunset, Marina Beach girls become guides to glamour and fun. The combination of the iconic city's captivating appearance and modern atmosphere creates an unforgettable image, making Marina Beach a great place to meet and relax for everyone. An elegant country that attracts millions of tourists with its luxurious and sophisticated beauty, Marina Dubai Beach is not only a symbol of wealth but also a symbol of politeness and class. The interaction between contemporary architecture and nature here not only creates an elegant space but also a symbol of technique and creativity. Marina Beach is not only a top resort destination, but also a symbol of elegance in every detail. Streaks of powdery white sand are the stage for easy strolls, while modern high-rises and city lights accentuate its charm and elegance. This place not only has external beauty but also dedicated service, from resort services to coastal restaurants and bars. Guests can enjoy an elegant and luxurious atmosphere everywhere, creating a truly classy and polite experience. Participating in the Wandering Beach Walk promotes mindfulness, as people immerse themselves in the present, appreciating the sound of the waves and the feel of the sand under their feet. Marina Dubai Beach shines with unique beauty, harmoniously combining modern architecture and fresh nature. The long coastline with fine white sand and clear blue sea surrounds, creating an ideal setting for leisure and relaxation activities. Looking into the distance, the towering high-rise buildings combined with the shimmering lights of Dubai City create an extremely stylish and impressive picture. The feeling of being immersed in this charming space makes visitors feel prosperity and luxury with every step. The previous video that Wandering Channel made about the beaches in Dubai, if you like it, we have attached the link below in the comments section. This experience creates a peaceful atmosphere, providing an opportunity for people to relax and connect with the serenity of the marine environment. At Wandering Channel. Visitors to Dubai Marina Beach not only immerse themselves in the breathtaking beauty of the seascape but also discover various wonderful things here. Right from the first step, they are fascinated by the smooth white sand beach and blue sea water, creating a picture of harmony between elegance and freshness. Tourists often start their day with exciting activities such as surfing or windsurfing, enjoying the sea in the fresh air of the morning. Spending hours of leisure, they have the opportunity to enjoy diverse cuisine at luxurious coastal restaurants and bars, where attractive flavors blend with a comfortable and sophisticated atmosphere. The wealthy country of Dubai shines like a jewel in the desert, and Marina Beach is a great symbol of the luxury and class of this city. The coastline at Marina Beach is not just a strip of fine white sand, but a work of art that blends architecture and nature. Dubai, with its incredible financial capabilities, has invested heavily in transforming Marina Beach into an urban wonder. The row of high-rise buildings rising next to the beach creates a dazzling horizontal line, combined with shimmering city lights to create a shimmering and seductive picture in the evening. Participating in the wandering beach walk promotes mindfulness, as people immerse themselves in the present, appreciating the sound of the waves and the feel of the sand under their feet. Marina Dubai Beach is a symbol of sophistication and harmony between contemporary architecture and nature, built and closely preserved by humans. The uniqueness and charm of this place comes not only from the natural beauty of the coast but also from the intelligent and creative construction of humans. The row of high-rise buildings rising next to the beach creates a unique and modern structure, creating a unique visual picture from afar. Unique architectural works such as the Rainbow Bridge and high-rise buildings are designed with sophistication and creativity, highlighting the Marina Beach space and at the same time adding artistic value to this location. Super rich people who come to Dubai Marina Beach often not only enjoy the beauty of the sea, but also seek out unique and luxurious hobbies. One of the unique experiences is riding a camel on the fine white sand. With a modern urban setting by their side, they can relax and enjoy the sea air in the excitement of this adventure. In addition, luxury yacht surfing games are also a popular activity. Feeling the cool ocean breeze while enjoying the luxury amenities of the yacht is an unforgettable experience. Being able to release water balloons and watch the sparkling city from afar, super rich people often choose this way to relax and enjoy the joy of luxurious life. Participating in the wandering beach walk promotes mindfulness, as people immerse themselves in the present, appreciating the sound of the waves and the feel of the sand under their feet. Visitors to Marina Dubai Beach are not just vacationers but adventurers who choose to experience a wonderful vacation. At first sight, the vast beach with fine white sand and pristine blue sea captivates people's hearts, creating a wonderful picture of peace and class. The vacation experience at Marina Beach is not limited to resting on the romantic sandy shore, but also includes unique entertainment and relaxation activities. Guests can indulge in water sports activities, such as surfing or windsurfing, or simply leisurely stroll along the beach. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone, and see you in the next videos.